This guy.
So listen.
This guy. Shut up. I'm better than that guy.
Yeah, my man.
I don't need to calm down because I don't know where the I am. I mean, what the is going on? What the is your issue?
Jerry, relax.
No, I don't want to relax. What the is your issue? My wrist hurts.
It's a dramatic and drunken arrest that lands us at the Tampa International Airport in Florida.
Hey, what's up?
Oh, there you go.
What's going on?
The guest at the bar.
In the jean jacket that's talking to the lady in the green.
Okay.
He was first harassing my customers that were in line. Then he fell backwards, literally butt first and all the way back, and just collapsed and fell back on the floor. And I think he may have hit his head, I don't know. But then he got up and he was yelling at people, and telling them I had confrontations with individuals boarding the flight over United.
Okay.
And in their face, and some woman, he was right in her face, and she jumped back. And some guy that is taller than he is and bigger than he is got in his face and told him to stop. And then she walked over to get him.
It's just before 6 on a December holiday night when an airport police officer gets this not-so-festive call to a terminal bar called Ducky's.
How you doing, sir? My name's Officer Vasquez with the airport police. How you doing?
Getting arrested.
Well, you don't have to get arrested.
Why am I getting arrested?
You're not getting arrested. I'm just talking to you because I heard you're being a little intoxicated, causing some problems, and that you fell.
I'm so sorry. No, that's my fault. Thank you.
When are you flying out?
9:15-ish.
I'm telling you, if you go to the gate in the state you're in, they're not going to let you fly.
Okay. Well.
Does that make sense?
Yeah. So do you have some place you can go right now?
I do.
Okay. Where is that?
I don't know.
Do you have your telephone? Could you look it up?
Do you know him?
Yeah, we've
probably
been all
could.
sitting here. Yeah, get your phone. You're going to be okay.
This nice lady you see here in the green takes it upon herself to help the man in blue call for a ride home. When he sees a picture of his daughter on his phone, the man breaks down in tears.
Okay, honey, don't cry. Put your password in there.
After a minute of trying to figure out who to call, the officer begins to take matters into his own hands.
What flight are you flying, sir?
You're the guy.
What happened?
You're the guy.
I am the guy.
You're
What's your
the
flight?
guy. I can fly like 9:15.
No, what airline?
JetBlue.
Oh, JetBlue. No, you're not, you guys.
So you're the guy. I'm going to go lay down somewhere. You're the guy. I got nobody to call.
I got you. So, this is my concern.
I understand.
I'm going to leave,
Yeah.
and then I'm going to get another call.
No.
And then I'm going to have to come back here.
No, you're not going to get another call. I promise you that. I'm going to go lay down somewhere. I've been there.
You're good?
Another man shows up to the party, telling officers he's been trying to help the man in blue simmer down, working as a mediator between a few people at the bar. He later hints to officials that he thinks this guy has PTSD. When the officer starts asking the ducky-drunky more questions, things start to get a little ugly.
Obviously, you've had a couple drinks. What I'm saying is...
I've had more than a couple drinks.
Yeah, I can tell. I'm just saying...
But I'm better.
Oh, he's fine.
Hey, don't walk up on anybody. Don't walk up on anybody.
Don't
walk up on
We're gonna... Listen, we're going to ask
I'm better than you on any
We're going to ask
day.
him back to the main terminal. You're going back to the main terminal, my friend.
And we'll go get JetBlue and a ticket.
Yeah.
No, this guy.
So listen...
This guy. Shut up. I'm better than that guy.
Yeah, my man. There's two ways you're going to go back, either in handcuffs or you're going to walk back. Which one are you going to do?
No, you.
Oh, okay.
You.
All that TF on your legal communication with the driver.
Nope.
He's pulling away.
Yeah, this
Hey,
guy's gonna...
dude, put your hands behind your back.
Put
Put your hands behind your back, man. Put your hands behind your back.
Multiple officers are forced to cuff the guy. They collect his things and eventually start walking out of the airport terminal. The officers ask the man if he has an ID, and after not one, but 4 times asking, the main officer in charge gets a hold of his license.
Can you read on a South Carolina driver's license by number?
The officer learns the man in blue is from South Carolina, and his name is Jerry. Unhappy with his not-so-sober situation, Jerry begins to mouth off. You'll see.
I don't care.
Yeah.
I don't care.
Mommy, listen, man, we're gonna get you some help. You just need to calm down.
I don't need to calm down because I don't know where the f*** I am. I mean, what the f*** is going on?
Okay. That's part of the problem, that you drank so
Yeah,
much.
I know that. I'm not drunk.
You want to just go take him down the elevator?
I'm not drunk.
Yeah,
It's
because we
been
can't take the
14
stairs.
hours
We definitely
and
can't
I
take the
don't
stairs.
have a drink. 14 hours.
10.143.
Oh, excuse me, guys. Excuse me.
Why the f*** am I still dreaming this? 14 hours. What the f*** is your issue?
Jerry, relax.
No, I don't want to relax. What the f*** is your issue? My f*** wrist hurts. You. Let's f*** kill me. F*** ouch. F*** this. F*** kill me.
With two officers escorting him in and the main arresting officer by his side, Jerry is brought inside an airport elevator. Seems like things are going okay. Well, until...
Hey! Okay. All right, now you're under arrest. All right. I got leg shackles.
Arrest me.
What is that?
With anyone?
My man! Put him on the ground. Yeah, put him on the ground.
Yeah. You go with me.
I'm gonna switch it to 1.
Jerry gets double restrained, and the crew makes it to the bottom floor for transport. Except Jerry doesn't make it easy for officers. He plays dead, or pretends he's asleep. Whatever he's doing, he's playing games with the officers.
Do you want them to meet you at HQ?
Truck court. Come on, buddy.
Our control.
Jerry. Yes.
They respond over to truck court Alpha for a medical evaluation.
I'll get his legs. Yeah.
Making faces and about racking up felony charges, that's Jerry.
Truck court Alpha, we have an officer, prisoner in custody.
He's like squinting, making faces.
He's breathing. It looks like he's pretending to not be conscious, but he's breathing, moving his eyes. Yeah, 10-15 for Batley.
No, he's not gonna kick nobody else.
You're going to take me a piece.
We're in the truck court. Is he by the loading dock?
Pieces. You fucking half-white. I don't want to relax.
But you got to.
Because you're halfway. I didn't do anything.
Can you advise our
Jerry, it's over. Jerry, it's over, brother. You're making it worse.
Just walk inside the door.
Well, stop struggling so it doesn't.
I didn't do anything.
You kicked me, Jerry. That wasn't necessary.
Oh, you're a fucking
Well, that's besides the point.
Yeah.
Whether he is or he isn't, you're gonna kick him. You can come through.
You need to man up.
We're 10 feet.
I wanna
You're just
man
trying to
up.
shackle on, trying to kick us too. You're good.
Let me go.
Grab the. Yeah, hammer. Yeah.
Yeah. I'm good. I got him.
Let me go.
Jerry, if you stop kicking us, we have no problem letting you go. But you're still.
It hurt anybody.
You just kicked me, bro. Come on.
If I hurt you by kicking
Yeah, we're just.
you're
Yeah, right there, Griff. Right there.
let me go. Let me go. I hear you. I already heard you. Let me go.
Jerry, we're not letting you go.
I already heard
You're under arrest, buddy.
you. Shut the I already heard you. Let me go.
Medics arrive and indeed confirm Jerry is not dead, no, rather very much alive. His blood pressure and breathing checks out just fine. So it's time to get Jerry off the ground and into a squad car.
You're going to jail, Jerry.
Shut the
So we've decided. It's
Inside.
jail.
Are you gonna walk, or are we gonna have to drag you
Oh, you gotta get me up.
You'll walk?
I gotta get me up.
We can do that.
So here, lean over, get on your butt, and then you'll stand up from there. Lean over on your butt. Cross your feet.
Okay.
Cross your feet, and then you're gonna get up from there.
I'm gonna get up from there.
One.
Oh, that hurts.
Well, then you're gonna help us stand up then.
That hurt? That helps?
Ready? 1, 2, 3. You gotta help us though.
I'm trying. Jesus.
Thank you.
That doesn't help. That's short steps. Short steps.
Yes,
Short steps.
Go ahead. Take
Short steps.
You're fine.
Okay, you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. Short steps. There we go. Animals. No, shorter steps. Shorter steps. There we go. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Seems like Jerry gets back into the swing of things until he sees someone at the end of the hall that stops him in his tracks.
Who the yeah.
That's a janitor.
No. No.
He has nothing to do with this.
Jerry, come on. We gotta go. Jerry.
No.
All right, sit back down and just have him sit down.
All right. I'll sit down.
Because he's not going.
I'm not going anywhere
Jerry,
with
get a
him.
car right over here.
I'm not going anywhere with him.
You're not going with him.
Come on, dude. Let's go. I
No.
won't go with you. Come on.
No.
I'm just holding the door. So how do we want to? Who wants to transport? I can transport. I just need you to
I'm sitting down.
I can do my CRA, right? Even if it's against me, or no?
I'll write your CRA.
Shit, my hands hurt.
Do you want to go with me?
Yeah, I'll go with you. I'll go with you, Griff.
Let's wait for the supervisor to be here. They can stand by in case he fights. I'll grab my car and bring it around.
No, we can't front cuff you, Jerry. It's against policy.
Okay, well, I'm not going with him.
You're not going with him. You're going with us.
No, I don't care.
Okay, but you're not going with
But you
him.
put it in front, I'll go with you.
It's against policy, Jerry. We
You
can't put it in front.
I'll go with you. I'm not going with him.
You're not going with him, Jerry. You're going with us.
You know, I'm putting in front, I'll go with you. It's
not up to you anymore, buddy. We're done.
You. Shut up.
No.
Shut the up.
Okay, all right. Whatever.
This is between him and me.
Well, you're going to jail, Jerry.
I will go to jail. I
Okay.
don't care.
Okay, then let's walk out the
I
door.
don't care, but I'm not going that way.
But that's where the car is, Jerry.
I don't care. I'm not going that way.
There's a ramp
I will go
on the
with
left.
you.
You're going with me.
I will go with you.
I'm taking you.
You take me, you uncomfortable.
We will. I'm gonna go get his car and pull it up here.
I'm taking you, Jerry.
No, shut up. I will go with you. That way, another way.
There's only one way to go. The cars are down here.
Any way, I will go other way than that way.
There's no way we can go any other way.
No, there's other ways.
There is no other way.
There is other ways.
There is no other way.
Shut up. There's other ways.
Oh, Jerry.
After 3 minutes of what feels like a game of cat and mouse, Jerry, sans Tom, finally agrees to get up.
Jerry, ready? You're gonna help us get you up? Ready? On your butt. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Perfect. We're gonna walk down the ramp on your left and go to the car.
And off Jerry goes, walking in the rain to the squad car, huffing and puffing along the way.
I don't know how the fuck I did this.
Of course, and on brand, he's not making things easy for officers.
Give me a second, and I will help you.
Can we pull him?
Give me a second, I will help you.
All right, then pre-lay
All
you.
right, give me a second, I will help you.
Then move your foot. Let's go.
Give me a second.
But eventually, he is strapped in,
You're a
secured,
Cut it out.
Don't you bite him! Don't you bite him!
and sent off to the local police station to be booked for disorderly conduct.
Just shut the goddamn door. I'm not gonna do anything.